In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to record your screen using OBS. I'm going to assume you already have OBS downloaded and installed and just want to set it up properly for screen recording. Once you open the OBS, I recommend starting with a clean, black scene, which most people already have by default. From there, go to the bottom right corner and click on Settings. In the General tab, you don't really need to change anything, so move to the Output section on the left. You can ignore the Stream tab since this guide is only for recording. Set the output mode to simple as this is more than enough for basic screen recording and does not require advanced configuration. Scroll down to Recording section and choose the recording path, which is the folder where your recorded videos will be saved. You can select any location you prefer. For recording quality, selecting high quality, medium file size works well for most users. But keep in mind that higher quality recordings will use more system resources. For the recording format, MP4 is recommended because it's widely compatible with most devices and editing software. When choosing an encoder, if you have NVIDIA graphics card, you can use the NVENC encoder, which reduces CPU usage. If you don't have that option, the X264 software encoder will work just fine. After making these changes, click Apply. Next, go to Audio Settings. Make sure desktop audio is set to the output device you use, such as your speakers or headphones, and ensure the mic option is set to correct microphone so your voice is recorded clearly. This step is important, otherwise your microphone audio may not be captured. Once that's done, click Apply again. Then move to the Video section, where you will set your resolution and frame rate. The base canvas resolution is your workspace size, while the output resolution is what actually gets recorded. If you're on a 1080p monitor, 1920 1080 is perfect. For FPS, 60 frames per second gives smoother video if your PC can handle it, but 30 FPS is completely fine for lower-end systems. You can also set up hotkeys by going to Hotkeys section. Many people like assigning a key such as F12 to start and stop recording, which makes it easier to control recordings without clicking buttons. After that, you can check the advanced settings, but for most users, there's no need to change anything here. Click Apply, then OK to save all your changes. Now that OBS is configured, you need to add a source to actually record your screen. Click the plus icon in the sources box at the bottom and select display capture to record your entire screen. You can also choose game capture or window capture if you only want to record a specific application, but display capture is the simplest option. Select your monitor if you have more than one and confirm. Once added, you will see your screen previewed in OBS. Before recording, you can adjust audio levels in the audio mixer to make sure your microphone is not too quiet or your desktop audio is not overpowering your voice. When everything looks good, click Start Recording and OBS will begin capturing your screen. And that's it. Once you're done with the recording, you can click on Stop Recording. OBS will save the video to the recording path you selected earlier. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.